Hey, we're gonna mock some Kit Kats I got from Walmart in America. This is crazy. So we're finally upgrading and doing other flavors other than original, which is crazy. Finally, it's Kit Kat Duos. Strawberry plus dark chocolate. Another strawberry duo. Mint plus dark chocolate. I don't know what's with all this mint and dark chocolate. And then we have Mocha plus chocolate. Look at that. And then a limited edition blueberry. I couldn't find a small one, but yeah, blueberry muffin. It's crazy. I missed the ones from Japan, but yeah, we're gonna take a look at these. So let's take a look at Duo. Strawberry dark chocolate. Crisp wafer and strawberry flavored cream dark chocolate. Large for detail. 200 calories. 210 calories. There's ingredients if you wanna copy it. Pennsylvania, license under Nestle. Switzerland, trademark owner? Huh. Lift tab and tear at end. So yeah, there's nutritional facts, if you guys see that. So yeah. They're like around $1 each, and then this was like $2 or something. So yeah, let's take a look at it. Hershey's Company. So tab like this and pull, and I don't know, pull and voila, pull. Can I eat that many at once? But yeah, let's take a look at this. Strawberry with dark chocolate. See if I can zoom in on this correctly because it is not letting me zoom in. I feel like it's gonna melt in my hand before I even get to zoom in. See? Oh, there it is. Yeah, let's try that out. That's a lot of dark chocolate. It's good, but I think milk chocolate would be better with strawberry. Would I get it again? No. Original or that? Original or that? If you're in the dark chocolate mood, yeah, that. Needs more strawberry. Okay, let's try this. Another Dos. Yeah, my English is bad. Yeah. So yeah, here's the other one. Ingredients. Same, 210. I wonder. One package. Sides, nothing. Other sides, nothing. Other side, nothing. Let's open it up and try it. And try all of them. One of them equals 210, so equals, I'll eat 4 of them equals pieces equals 210, right? So, my, what's it called? High cholesterol won't be affected by this thing. Ooh, mint. What it smells like. It smells like mint. It's pretty cool. Okay. Wow. That's pretty good. Perfect mint balance. Yeah, that's really good. They're really melting in my hand. That's pretty good. I think I tried a mint one before. This one over original. They're both good. Eat half and half. I got chocolate in my hands. And we have mocha with chocolate. So crispy wafers and mocha cream with chocolate bits plus chocolate. Now that's different. You guys heard of that one? Wonder if this is the same. Did it say? Yeah, 210. Those ingredients. If you want to make your own, make a vegan one. Then sell even more. So yeah. So yeah, there's the Kit Kat. Dang the zoom. Smells like mocha. Excuse me. Come on, zoom correctly. Gosh, why is it so hard to zoom on a single point? Sorry, guys. Yeah. We like mocha. That's a lot. You could taste the coffee bits. I wonder if there's coffee in this. Does it say? It has coffee. I wonder how much coffee is in this. I could taste the coffee though. It's like a coffee Kit Kat. I like mint more. So this one first, then mocha, then dark chocolate. So yeah. Wow. And then we have blueberry king size limited edition. I wonder how long the term of the limited edition for. Let's see. Muffin flavored cream. Wow, that's really different. Here's the back. Where's this even made? Does it really matter? This has more calories. Oh, this has per 3 fingers. Per 3 fingers. Okay. So this has, let's see, 2.5 calorie. What? 2.5 servings per container. 3 servings, size 3 of them equals 440. Okay, whatever. Let's try this out. So much candy. But I am happy that they're coming out with new ones. Look at that. Blueberry muffin. Wow, I could taste like a strong muffin at the end. Sweet, yeah, chocolate, milk chocolate. I don't know. You tell me if it's good or not. Which ones have you guys tried? Is there any new ones coming out? Yeah, like and subscribe if you can. It's okay. It's like a muffin. I don't know if I want it in a chocolate. This is gonna go like here. So try this first, if you get it. Mint, mocha, blueberry, and then strawberry. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you guys.